Hello everyone, this is Dr. Esperanza and we're now on week 3 and our agenda for this week's announcement. I'll be talking about discussion credit, homework quiz, your access to your MML or My Math Lab, the proctored midterm test, and the importance of routine in our online classes. So first, the discussion credit. To earn 10 points, you need to 1. Post your initial entry, and 2. Make sure to respond to any of your classmates' discussion entry. And 10 points is not going to be earned by just posting one-liner or one-sentence discussion entry. The reason why it's called a discussion is because it needs to be engaging, it needs to be substantial, and it needs to be posting that will elicit a more engaging atmosphere in our discussion forum. So to earn 10 points credit, you need to have at least 2 responses and make sure that it's long and not just a one-liner. Otherwise, you're just going to get 5 or 0 points in your discussion credit. Now for your homework and your quizzes, for your homework, you have an unlimited amount of time and unlimited amount of attempts to get 100% on the homework credits. So that is the beauty or your advantage of being in an online or hybrid class. And for the quizzes, you also have several attempts. Sometimes I put 3 attempts, sometimes I put unlimited attempts on the quizzes. So I don't see any reason why students will not earn at least a passing score or a score that is higher than 70% on our quiz task and on our homework task, because you'll be able to repeat or be able to improve on your scores by trying multiple attempts. For your My Math Lab access, if you are using the 14-day trial period, I believe some of you will have an expired MML access, so make sure to purchase the My Math Lab. I'm not sure how much it is right now, but I think it's about $70 and $80. So make sure to take care of that within this week. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to access your homework and your assignment task in My Math Lab. 5 proctored midterm tests. We are now on week 3, and I expect to receive all your proctored form filled up, and the proctored form will be found in the introductory module. It's basically one module before module number 1, so make sure to find the proctored guidelines page, click on it and read it, and make sure to turn in your proctored form. Otherwise, you'll be taking your proctored midterm test in the campus. It's either in Fort Irwin or here at the campus, so that you'll be able to get that midterm test credit. And again, all of you are required to take a proctored test, not just in my class, not just in a math class, but in every online or hybrid class in Barstow Community College. Alright, importance of routine. I've noticed that some of you are earning your A in this class, and the reason why you have your A, it's because you have already established a routine. You're able to spread the week load of tasks from Monday up until Sunday and not waited 2 hours before the deadline or a day before the deadline to cram all the tasks to come up with or to be able to accomplish a grade of probably 80, 70, or 90. So cramming, procrastination, it's not going to work in my class, and I've been stressing this since the beginning of our week 1 lesson. So I highly suggest that you spread out the work all throughout the week. Don't wait until the weekend to start working on the first task, because most likely the amount or the content that we're having as the weeks go by becomes a little bit more complicated, a little bit more challenging, and it needs time for you to digest all the information and practice and be able to understand the concepts fully. So again, please don't cram, don't procrastinate, otherwise you're setting yourself for failure. And I wish that all of you, just like the 70% of your classmates who are still having or who has an A right now in my class, will have the same grade as you are, because I care for your grade. That's why I'm doing this video, to make sure that I am creating a relationship with you guys through the videos that I'm using. And see this? I have my notes with me, and this is the importance of notes. And the reason why I'm posting videos is for you to write down notes for each of the unit that we're doing, because 1, you will use that notes for your midterm exam, and two, to be able to understand better so that you won't miss any of the important details that you need to accomplish. You need to write it down, because our brain, as good as it is, it's not a computer that can store 100 terabyte of information and retain it. So we need to strategize, and to be able to strategize really well in my class, watch my video, take notes from the video, and don't procrastinate. And that's it for this week. I wish you all the best, and see you all again on the next announcement. Bye.